Hello, good morning children. Good morning my friends. I am here with the topic protection of file and tracking changes in Microsoft Word. Let's start the topic. As you are looking here, one file is here. Okay, and on this file I want to apply the tracking changes. My topic is tracking changes. Okay, tracking changes. Okay, this is the option for protection of any file's content. If you want to protect your content on the file, then you have to use this, or you can say if you want to know after you if any other user uses your file, then how you can know what is the changes made by that user. If you apply the track changes feature, then you can know which user has been made changes, and on which date and time also it will display. Okay, from here you can apply. See here, review tab. This review tab will allow you where you will get the option tracking changes and also protection also here. Okay, so I will discuss both. Firstly, see here, tracking changes. As you click on the tracking changes, you will find three options: tracking changes, change tracking options, and username. Change username. You will look here. Firstly, apply. देखो कैसे करना है. See here, I have clicked here to apply. Tracking changes is on here. Here is written, you can read it. Track changes made to document including the insertion, deletion, formatting changes. Okay, it means three things is main thing. Insertion, if you insert anything, new thing, that is also tracked by this option. And if you delete anything, any content, any word from this paragraph or this file, it will also highlighted. And if you format anything, that also will highlighted by the option. Okay, see here how you it will applied, and how you can identify which is deleted, which is formatted, and which is inserted new. Clear? See, suppose now I will delete here. You are looking here, here is deleted text. It by default रेड कलर हमने डिलीट किया है. I have deleted the contents. जैसे suppose I have selected and I have pressed the delete key. You are looking here कि the deleted word has been strike out. Strike समझ रहे हो? It means it is crossed, and it is also highlighted by red color. And if you insert any word, suppose you have written any word, new word, then it is also showing same color. It is not crossed. एक क्रॉस लाइन इस पर नहीं है. क्लियर? Now if you add new text, then Then what happened? Suppose I have added new text. Now I will format. Suppose I have changed the some formatting color of this. Then you are looking here, something changes, and you are looking here, this username is admin, which time you are looking here, time, date, formatted time, date, okay, and also mention the which color applied on the text, okay. So these are the things available in the tracking changes. And simply if you want to see the options, which option used for which thing, so here is given the things, okay. यहाँ पर आप from here insertion, suppose insertion you are looking underlined, and if you want to use the particular thing, particular word, suppose insert, for the insertion I have used the color, pink color. It will shows if anyone insert anything, shows in the pink color. If anyone delete anything, it will display by the red color, okay. And if any formatting made by you or apply the border, then it will highlighted by the yellow color या green color. Any color you can select, या black color, blue color, I think blue ले लेते. Though this way you can protect. Here is other things also given in the table. Suppose you are doing you are working on the table, then you will also here change here, okay. Now you can see which color I have applied over there. Inserted text will be highlighted by pink color, and deleted you are looking here, and here is one balloon. Are you looking here? Show only comments and formatting on balloon. Show all revision in line. Show all balloon in up. If you want to show all, then here is written deleted thing, here is written inserted, insertion also. You can show everything as you wish, okay. By default last one option, show only comments, this option displayed. And suppose now if you want to accept these changes in your file, then you have to click on the accept changes, accept all changes. And if you want to reject, then you have to go to reject changes and reject all. Clear? In this way you can apply. And if you want to apply on whole content, then don't select anything. आप पूरे कंटेंट पर लगाना है तो आपको सिलेक्शन नहीं करना है, और आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर पैरा पर लगाना है, देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट फर्स्टली, देन अप्लाई द ऑन द ट्रैक चेंजेस ऑप्शन फीचर, ओके. Suppose I want to reject it, reject all. I have rejected. Now you can see the original contents are here only. This is the tracking changes feature. Okay children, I think you have got the things. Up now this tracking changes feature is not off. It was only made changes has been deleted, but it is on, still on. Again you will change, then it will highlighted. Got my point? Then if you want to protect track changes, because your co-partner or friend also know this option, he will remove from here and applied and again save and on it. So for this you have to protect this track changes feature by here. Okay, you are looking here, you will get the option here, tracking changes options, you have to go to here, click here, formatting is restrictions, then you have to click limit formatting to a selection of the style, then you have to go to here and go here, then you can limit it. But if you have to edit a restriction, then you have to go here, you will find the tracking changes, and you have to click here and click here and enter the password. Suppose I have entered 1 2 3, and you have to re-enter for the confirmation. Again press same the password and click OK. Now you are looking here, track changes cannot be again off, and if anyone want to made any changes, then it will be on. Clear? And if you enter anything, it will be written in pink color. If you format anything, it will be highlighted by the red color. You are looking, हमने जो भी वहाँ पर सेटिंग की है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है. यू आर लुकिंग हियर. ओके, नाइस. तो दिस इज द protection of the tracking changes. Now come to the again, if you want to unprotect, again enter the password, same password, you will find the option, you can unprotect. Okay, suppose you want to protect the fill in the form, then you again fill in the form means you can't write anything. See here, I have entered the password. You are looking here password. I have OK, clicked OK. Now can you write anything here? No, your keyboard is protected. You can't move from anywhere. I am clicking here, but my insertion point cannot change its position. Cursor position cannot be changed when you protect your form. Okay, and you can't delete, you can't select anything. You are looking here, I am trying to select that word, but I can't because I have protected the forms. Okay, unprotect it. Again you are looking here, read only. If you will made the read only, then no one can make changes, only everyone can read. Your content can be read, but no one can change in the content. If you want to change, you are looking here, this modification is not allowed because the selection is locked. You are looking here. Okay, now, and if I want to copy it, we can copy. You are looking here, we can copy, but we can't write in this file. Clear? We can copy and we can place this content another form. So we have to complete protect our file, then we have to go up. After applying these things, we have to go on the file save. When you save your file, then you will get the new option. See here everyone, this is the correct main thing. You have to go here, click on the general option and enter the open password. My children, it is necessary to protect our content to display. Before looking the content, you have to enter the password. You are looking here, I have changed the file name, computer software, and I have saved this file. Okay, 1 minute. I have saved this file 12 on the desktop. I have changed the location. Okay, and I have applied the form protection and okay. Now go to the our home screen, close the file and go to the home screen and double click on that particular file. You will find, firstly you have to enter the password which you have entered during the saving the file. Okay, and as you are looking here, my content is open now and we can't here write, and again you have to go to the stop protection, then you can open again it. Okay, this is the protection part of Microsoft Word. I think you got all the things. Okay, thank you to all of you.